Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Mr.E channel. I'm Jessie, and I'm so happy you are here today. This channel is a safe place. A friendly place. A place to practice English every day.
Hi friends. I'm Ralph. I'm smiling right now. Yes, really, because today's lesson is very useful, very simple, and very important for beginners.
Yes. Today's episode is called Daily English Speaking Practice. Simple conversations for beginners. This means we will practice English you can use every day. At home. At work. With friends. Everywhere.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. When you like and subscribe, you help us. And you help yourself too.
Okay. Get comfortable. Take a deep breath. Let's start our daily English speaking practice. Ralph, let's start with something very simple. How do you greet people every day?
Easy. I say, hello, or good morning. And Jessie, what if the food is not good?
Yes. These are very common greetings. You can say, good morning, in the morning. Good afternoon, after 12 p.m. Good evening, in the evening.
And if you want to be friendly, you can add, how are you?
Yes. And people usually answer with simple answers like, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Sometimes I say, I'm tired.
Yes. That is very honest. Now let's practice talking about your day. Ralph, how is your day today?
My day is good. I woke up early. I drank coffee. I ate toast. And now I'm here.
Nice. Very simple sentences. That is perfect for beginners.
Yes. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are okay. Simple English is good English.
Here is another example. Today is busy. Today is quiet. Today is a good day.
And you can say, today is not good. That is okay too.
Many people want to talk about work or study in English. Let's practice that.
Okay. You can say, I work in an office. I work from home. I am a student.
Yes. And you can add, I like my job. Or, I like my classes. Ralph. Or, I don't like Monday. Many people don't like Monday.
Monday is difficult.
Now let's talk about free time. Free time means time when you don't work or study.
In my free time, I like cooking. I like watching movies. I like eating snacks.
Of course you like eating snacks.
Yes, snacks are very important.
In my free time, I like reading. I like walking. I like listening to music.
See? Very easy sentences. In my free time, I like.
Repeat this phrase. It is very useful.
Good conversations have questions. Simple questions are best for beginners.
Here are some easy questions. What do you do? Where are you from? What do you like? Yes. And the answers are also simple.
For example, I'm from Canada. I'm from Nepal. I'm from Brazil.
You don't need long answers. Short answers are friendly and clear. Let's act out a small daily conversation. Hi. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. What do you do?
I work in an office. What about you?
I'm a student. I study English.
That's great.
Yes. This is a real conversation. Simple. Natural. Friendly. You can also talk about feelings every day.
Yes. You can say, I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel busy.
Feelings help people understand you.
And if you are tired, it is okay to say, I'm tired today.
Very honest. Very human. Here is a very important tip for daily practice. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes.
Yes. Talk to yourself. Talk to a mirror. Talk to your phone.
You can say, today is Monday. I feel good. I like English.
Little practice every day makes big progress.
Okay, everyone. Now it's time for learning moments. Let's explain 5 simple English phrases from today. 1. How are you? A common greeting question. Example. How are you? I'm good. 2. Today is. Use this to talk about your day. Example. Today is busy. Today is good. 3. I work as, or I am a. Use this to talk about your job or study. Example. I am a student. I work as a teacher. 4. In my free time. Use this to talk about hobbies. Example. In my free time, I like reading. 5. I feel. Use this to talk about feelings. Example. I feel happy. I feel tired.
Wow! Today we practiced daily English speaking. Simple conversations. Easy sentences. Real English.
Yes. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need clear English. You need simple English.
Practice every day. 5 minutes is enough. Small steps are powerful.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.
Here is today's question for you. How was your day today?
Write your answer in the comments. We will read them. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Bye.